Are you looking for the best AI video generation tool and want professional quality results without paying far more than it's worth? Then we have very important news for you, and you don't want to miss it. As of today, Higgsfield offers the lowest price for Seedance 2.0 among all competitors in the market. Yes, the lowest price. And more importantly, they've published a clear and transparent comparison table that proves it. This isn't just marketing talk. This is a fact you can verify for yourself. Let me paint the full picture. AI video creation tools have become essential for any content creator or marketer. But the problem has always been the same. Either low quality or extremely high prices, especially with advanced versions like Seedance 2.0. Many competitors charge expensive subscriptions or impose strict limits on the number of videos you can create. But Higgsfield decided to break that pattern. How? By offering the same advanced technology, perhaps even better, at a lower price than everyone else. Their team has created a clear comparison table on their website, showing exactly how their pricing stacks up against competitors. And the difference isn't small. It's a real leap toward fair pricing. Now let's get practical. When you visit the Higgsfield website, you'll find a dedicated section comparing Seedance 2.0 pricing. The comparison includes major players in the field, such as Runway, Pika Labs, Kling, and others. And you'll see for yourself, Higgsfield is the most affordable, without competition. Not just in base pricing, but also in the cost per additional video, processing speed, and even the number of free features offered. This isn't a marketing trick, it's a transparent model that puts your financial needs first. The team at Higgsfield understands that the market is going through a phase of technological inflation, and they aim to be the alternative, the side that says, high-quality technology should be accessible to everyone. Now, if you've already created a video about Higgsfield or Seedance 2.0 and it's published on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, we invite you to update your title to reflect this new angle. In today's world, video is no longer an option, but has become a language. The language of marketing, the language of influence, and the language of success. But the truth? Producing just one video can cost hundreds of dollars and take hours, sometimes days. Editing, filming, script, endless revisions. And in the end, you might not even get the result you imagined. But that's not all. Higgsfield doesn't just give you a video, it gives you full control. You can adjust the style, choose the tone, change the pace, and customize every detail as you wish. Whether you are a content creator, a digital marketer, an entrepreneur, or even a beginner, you will find yourself creating content of a quality you never imagined before. With Higgsfield, no longer need experience, nor equipment, not even a team. All you need is an idea. Write a simple text, and artificial intelligence will turn it into a full video. Sound? Available. Images? Professional. Movements? Cinematic. Everything happens automatically. If you are serious about developing your content, if you want to get ahead of the competitors, if you believe your idea deserves to be seen, then don't waste any more time. Start today and discover for yourself how one idea can turn into dozens of videos. Higgsfield AI is not just a new tool, it is a smart move in the world of pricing. If you want Seedance 2.0 quality at the lowest price on the market, and if you want video content that spreads thanks to the savings and transparency angle, then visit the website now, see the comparison table for yourself, and start making your videos today.